tell you guys a secret. Don't tell anybody. Oh. I love parties. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mirapsstyles and I'm the creative director of Mirapsstyles. In case you're seeing this face for the first time, if you're a first timer, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. It is very, very important. Thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. I really received a lot of love from you guys. I really appreciate. Thank you. My last video, I asked you guys to ask me some questions about me. I got a lot of questions and I'll be answering the first 20 questions. So if you see me looking down, yeah, hi, your questions that I'll be answering, I've already written them out. Number one question I have here is, what other name do you bear? You all know I introduced myself as Olaoluwa Miracle. So my middle name is Deborah. The other name I bear is Deborah. Number two question is, what is your view about life? To keep it short is to be happy and work hard and be good to others. The third question I have here is, what is your ambition? Well, let me just keep it short. My ambition is to own a fashion industry and a food company. The next question is, what is your sexuality? I'm romantically attracted to the opposite sex, so I am straight. The next question is, what is your relationship status? I don't know why, but I got a lot of questions on what is your relationship status. Are you single? When are you getting married? I am definitely single. I am perfectly single. You are free to shoot your shot. When do you think you'll be ready for marriage? I think I'll be ready for marriage when I've achieved my goals. Like, I need to achieve being single. Another question here is, who is your mentor? Very close to me. You will know that it is Cecilia Okpan. She's the creative director of Kim Dave Designs. Another question is, why fashion designing? Like, the person was like, why do you choose fashion designing? I chose fashion designing because my passion for it. I really love anything fashion since I was young. I love playing with fabrics. I love doing things for people that involves fashion. It's the passion and it is there. The next question here is, what is your worst fear? My worst fear is not be able to achieve my dreams. Next question here is, what would you have taken as a career if you weren't a fashion designer? If I'm not a fashion designer, then I would definitely be an event planner. Yes. Let me tell you guys a secret. Don't tell anybody. I love parties. Yes, I love parties. I love organizing things. I believe that if I'm not a fashion designer, I will definitely be an event planner. Another question is, how do you handle challenges that comes with fashion design? Fashion that keeps me going, seriously. Challenges from customers, challenges from yourself, like self-doubt, confidence. Whenever I'm sewing or I'm drafting a pattern and it's not going well, I just leave it and I sleep. So when I wake up, I feel refreshed and I will start again. Another question here is, what actually inspired you to learn fashion designing? I learned fashion designing because I just want to know how clothes are made. Let me just say I'm inspired by my passion, by myself. Another question here is, what keeps you moving even when you face failure or self-blame? What or who cheers you up and gives you courage to move on? The only thing that has been keeping me moving and sustaining me in this fashion line is the passion I have for it. That's just it. Because sometimes I just feel like quitting, but the passion won't let me. Customers, like, I just love them so much. Yes, I love them a lot. When I look at my gallery and I see pictures of my customer, I'll be like,
I'm not giving up. I want to be better. I want to be better than this.
Then my family also. My family cheers me up a lot. But one time I just felt like I just
need to take a break from this fashion thing.
So I went online that day on my WhatsApp and I saw my younger brother's status. Like, he posted one of my videos I did on YouTube, and it was like, I'm proud of you, sis. I was like,
no, I'm not giving up. No, I'm not. Someone is proud of me.
so my family, they are proud of me, and they are proud of what I do. So they cheers me up and give me the courage to move on. Then shout out to all my friends for their support. I won't mention their names so that their head will not swell wherever they are, because I know they'll be watching this. You guys are the real G. Thank you so much for always supporting me and always giving me the courage to move on. Another question is, which of the styles you made was most challenging at first? A lot of challenges involved, especially in the fashion line, but there's actually one style that I made last year. I'll share this style on screen. Actually challenged me a bit, because I wanted to make this style, so I was like, this style will take me more than a day to make. It actually took me 3 days to make, so I felt challenged somehow, but I just thank God that it came out so well, and I'm happy and proud of it. Another question is, have you ever been in a situation that made you think about taking a break from sewing? Seriously, it happens a lot. Like, I just feel like
I'm tired. Like, I'm fed up. I'm not doing this again.
But what actually keeps me going is the passion I have for it. Another question is, what is it about fashion designing that you don't really like, or what you wish was different? Something that challenged me at first when I started as a fashion designer is fashion illustration. I actually made a video on how I made it simple for myself, and I feel like you should watch that video if you're having problem with fashion illustration. It took me a long time to get the simple way I can go about it, and that was actually the thing that I don't really like, because I don't know how to draw, and sketching, oh my god, is another thing on it. I can't sew a style without sketching now, so I'm used to it and I love it now. That question is, how do you manage pressure as a fashion designer and a student? Seriously, the pressure is much. Like, the mental stress from customers, the mental stress from even sewing, and you go to the market to source for materials, the academic stress, assignments, projects, and all. Well, how I manage those pressure is, I make sure that when it's time to read, I read, and when it's time to sew, I sew. I just make sure that presently my academic life is paramount, like it's my primary assignment for now. So I work more on my academics. Another question is, how do you get inspirations? Get inspirations from a lot of things. I go out to the market, walk by boutique stores, see the fabrics, the design, and also I get inspiration from there. There was actually 2 designs I get inspiration from the market in my last collection that I released in the year 2020, last year. So that's the Mimi set and the Debbie's run part. So I walked past a lady that was wearing this trendy jean that has flare at the hemline. So I was like, would love to recreate this. So I created it in another style. Like, I made it shorter, 3/4, and I did the handkerchief flare instead of the round flare. So that was how I got the inspiration for that. So I get inspiration by traveling, like seeing the sky, the new atmosphere, and all that. So then I get inspirations from sourcing for fabrics. When I feel them, inspirations come from there too. And I get inspirations online when I surf through the net for designs. Oh, I almost missed this question. What I would love to tell my younger self is that build your self-confidence. Don't trust people too much. Work more on your skill, develop yourself, and be good. So that is the last question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. See you in my next video. I love you.